How to fix Tekken 7 not opening isn't quick. Look guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. All you need to do just right click on Tekken 7, go to properties and then go to compatibility. And now once you're here, just make sure to enable those two options, disable full screen, and then run this program as an administrator. After that, go to settings, go to privacy, scroll down until you find notifications, turn it off. Maybe you'll find it like that, just turn it off, and scroll down again, go to background apps, also turn it off, and now just restart your PC. Click restart, and if you have here update and restart, just click on it. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.